Hi, I'm Lee Merman with Investments in Sarasota. Today I'm standing at the Bay, Sarasota, and it's an absolutely gorgeous day here on the Bayfront. This month I'd like to talk about what's been going on in the last quarter in Sarasota. But first, the buzz in the real estate industry is that we're just like 2019. I have to believe that the only statistic that's relevant is that our demand is about equivalent to 2019. We'll get to that a little bit later. For some context, Sarasota has evolved a lot in the last 5 years. Let's start with the airport. 5 years or so ago, the airport had about 6 airlines and 11 nonstop destinations. 5 years later, now in 2024, there are 11 airlines and over 55 nonstop destinations. Since the pandemic, multiple paradigms have shifted. In Sarasota in particular, we have 2 luxury hotel brands that didn't even exist 5 years ago in the Rosewood and The St. Regis. Bitcoin is trading 10 times higher than it was back then. And of course, now EV sales make up about 10% of the entire car market. So I would say Sarasota is a completely different market than it was 5 years ago. Let's take a look at the numbers. Sarasota, during the first quarter of 2024, which is January, February, and March, saw a very slight increase over the same period a year ago in 2023, about 0.5%. However, sales volume increased by 8%, indicating that prices are going up. So what's going on in our luxury market? Those are those properties listed for $1.5 million or more. We saw a 14% increase from the same period a year ago. More interestingly, we've seen an increase in the upper end of the luxury market. This quarter alone, there were 4 sales over $10 million. The same period a year ago, 0. We have about 5,700 properties in inventory, and we're beginning to see some equilibrium as that pendulum is kind of finding its middle ground between buyers and sellers. So what's fueling demand here in Sarasota? Well, I think there's a huge validation in the luxury market. Those buyers are spending large sums of money investing in Sarasota real estate. There's been virtually no talk of a recession. The Dow has been up 18% from this period a year ago. And if you have a heavily weighted tech portfolio, it's up even larger. So today's buyer has a lot more money to spend. And the reality is that the quality of life in Sarasota is unparalleled. Whether it's the beaches, the waterfront, the cultural amenities, arts, being outside 12 months a year, we have a very special lifestyle here in the Sarasota area. Whether you're looking to make a purchase here this spring or your time horizon is 2 to 3 years out, it's never too early to start. We want to help you be informed and be educated about living here in Sarasota. My team and I will be with you every step of the way, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. For Investments in Sarasota, I'm Lee Merman.